Kanisa kurwa sensemo ya Rift Valley anensemo ya North Rift ni gwono baichani na nigo bakumirete okungusana na kogendrete gati yumure wenzo muskuru Kenyatta na boigono mokonye Dr. William Samuel Ruto kolengana barayabu nigo bateberuno ogotaigwano okuni okarachi gotra no muremba sense ya Kenya ekerokeri basabiro kuigwana gati ya barayabu babere konyara kogendera na buchinga kichiche nigo bamochiria bana siasa bari bagendrete gotra no goturubanya muremba sense ya Kenya ekerokeri kweroberia sobo chorio bone obole bosyo bakona kuru asensemo ya Trans Nzoia nigo batebire na omokonyo murebwense na boigono murebwense nigo bantego chamo na gotinyo kuigwana unencheremo yokonyara kwa bwatani abakenya bonsi na gotiga kumusanana.
Kenya's politicians leaders have appeared to spearhead initiatives aimed at fostering peace across the nation. Kenyans are yet to settle down and the whole nation is already in a campaign mode. Political campaigns have now gained momentum with the political parties hunting for votes by dividing Kenyans in different sides with their political rhetorics. We are deeply concerned the way the fallout between the president and his deputy is causing tensions among the communities. Our point of reference as religious leaders, we are concerned that the prophetic role of the faith community is deteriorating day by day while the society is drifting away from God. However, the political elite continue to paralyze the nation more and more, exposing citizens to further moral decay.
Sisi kama Peace Committee niko na viongozi wangu hapa na kama viongozi wa kanisa tumeamua tunaenda kufanya mikutano hata ya kuwaongelesha hawa wanasiasa
na goika senseme